Hi. In the following video presentation, the customer requests a detailed technical demonstration of the telemetry functionality using Mototrbo radios integrated with SmartPTT. The demonstration focuses on system architecture, data transmission flow, configuration parameters, and real-time telemetry monitoring within the dispatch environment.
This is a telemetry example of the Mototrbo radio and SmartPTT dispatcher. What you see up on the screen is a telemetry button for a alarm, a fan, and a LED, and a notification for a door that's opened and closed, another telemetry button. So what we have here is a breadboard with a fan, an LED, and an alarm connected to a relay, and then there is a telemetry cable going to the Mototrbo mobile. The GPIO pins are pin 21, 24, and ground. So those are the pins being used from the rear of the mobile tied into the circuit here. So I will press the yellow button, or gold, to initiate the fan, the alarm, and the LED. So if I press this button, all of those will come on. It's a toggle, so I'm going to press it again to shut them off. So that turned off the fan, the LED, and the alarm. The other button will notify the dispatcher when a door is open or closed with active high level or active low level. All this is 5 volts. So right now it's active level low, so the door is closed. I'm going to make this active level high by removing this wire here, this jumper, and the notification will go from door closed to door open once I do that. So there, it changed to door open. So those are the telemetry buttons and what they can do. As far as the setting up of the telemetry, it's just going down to the radios and then telemetry, and you create the entries. The first one is toggle high and low, so it's to turn on the fan, the LED, and the alarm. And you can see it's GPIO 1, it's outgoing from the dispatcher out to the target radio, and it's a toggle. There's 2 entries for the active level high and low. One is to notify the door is open, and to get notification that the door is closed. So this is going on GPIO 2, door open, and that's incoming, and it's a low level. And then door closed, you can see here, door closed, GPIO 2, it's incoming, and it's a high level. So those are the programming for telemetry in the dispatcher. Now you also have the other fields here in the telemetry programming. You have to make sure that they are all checked and enabled for those two features, actually 3. So it's a toggle, a low level, and a high level. And you got to make sure the GPIO pins are checked, and you can set the interval as well. And then of course you want to create the custom console so that you can select the buttons. So right here, if I go to edit, these buttons here are the outgoing telemetry. So that's the VIO1, that's the toggle outgoing from dispatcher to the target radio. And then the incoming would be the incoming is going to show you the status if the door is open or closed. So for VIO2, that would be for this button here, status of the door open or closed. As far as the programming goes, in telemetry, we're using VIO1 and VIO2. So here's the toggle command, and then here's the door open close. It's a status command. And then of course on the back of the mobile, the pins that are used: pin 21 VIO2, pin 24 VIO1. So that is the setting up of the telemetry and a demonstration of the telemetry features of the radio used with SmartPTT. Again, I'll press the telemetry button to initiate all three of these items. Press it again, it's the toggle to shut it off. And that is a quick demo for telemetry.